Cranes are the backbone of construction. What's your biggest challenge when working with cranes? Mobile cranes are the workhorses of construction, versatile and powerful. Truck-mounted cranes zip around job sites, while crawler cranes tackle tough terrains with ease. Rough terrain cranes are built for the rugged outdoors, making them indispensable for off-road projects. Tower cranes, on the other hand, reach for the sky, lifting heavy materials high above skyscrapers, showcasing engineering marvels in urban landscapes. Overhead cranes glide smoothly in warehouses and factories, effortlessly moving loads across vast spaces, streamlining operations. And let's not forget floating cranes, the giants of the sea, capable of lifting massive loads in ports and marine environments, making them crucial for maritime construction. Each type plays a vital role, showcasing the incredible capabilities of modern engineering. Rigging systems are the backbone of safe lifting operations. Understanding components like slings, hooks, shackles, and hoists is crucial. Each piece plays a vital role in ensuring stability and safety. For instance, slings come in various materials, each suited for different loads and environments. Now, let's talk about load calculations. It's not just about knowing the weight, it's about understanding weight distribution to prevent tipping or swaying. A well-balanced load is key to a successful lift. And then there are the essential skills every rigger must master. Signaling is more than just hand gestures, it's about clear communication with the team. Load securing ensures that everything stays in place during the lift. Finally, balance control is an art, keeping the load steady while navigating obstacles. Master these skills, and you'll be a rigger who not only lifts but lifts safely and efficiently. Loading techniques involve how to safely lift, move, and place heavy loads. It's important to follow best practices for handling irregular or oversized objects and to avoid common mistakes that can lead to accidents. Safety regulations and protocols are crucial, including OSHA guidelines for crane operation and rigging. Before starting any operation, conducting pre-operation inspections is essential. This includes checking equipment, assessing weather conditions, and identifying site hazards. Additionally, having clear emergency procedures and communication protocols in place is vital. Real-life examples, such as case studies of successful crane operations compared to accidents caused by negligence, provide valuable insights. We can learn important lessons from industry experts to ensure safe practices in our operations.